I live with both
Shule,
autism and
mtu shule,
epilepsy, and sometimes
shule,
that means I see, I hear, and
shule,
understand the world a little differently. But
shule.
let me tell you something. Different is not less. Autism spectrum, for
Pada
instance,
tol
is
daga
a condition that is not
sul,
immediately
apa
obvious.
shule da tol,
People
face
often expect
tol.
disability to look a certain way,
Biba shule
like
ka
a wheelchair,
tol,
a walker,
apa
or a white
tol,
cane. But
ada
when you look at
tol,
this Gen Z boy
emi
right here,
tol.
I look
Lakini
just as fine, right?
dume,
Some think autism is a disease, something
dume.
strange, or even witchcraft. Because of this, children like me are often hidden, bullied, or judged unfairly. Yes, we steam, we might flap, jump, or take selfies with our palm, but that is just how we cope with the world that feels too fast, too loud. At school, we may struggle with regular lessons, but we also have unique gifts. Some are doing well in beauty salons, others in car wash businesses. But take me, for instance. I love music. I would like to be a DJ, to mix beats, to create awareness, do my performance and public speaking. I can also catwalk and market your product. Imagine that. A little spotlight for a talent. That's inclusion, right? Just because we process and express our emotions differently does not make us less. It just means our brain works differently than yours. So please do not pity us. Instead, smile. Say hi. And remember, I am Philip, and I am not hiding. I am autistic. I am epileptic. But I am also awesome, able, and enough. Thank you, Asante Sinsan.